Looking for the best HEPA air purifier to keep your home's air clean and healthy? In this video, I'll break down the top 5 options that actually remove dust, smoke, and allergens so you can breathe easier every day. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more great tips and product reviews. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's dive in. Number 1. Levoit HEPA Air Purifier. The Levoit HEPA air purifier is one of the most reliable options you can choose. This purifier is designed to remove common indoor pollutants like dust, pollen, smoke, pet dander, and airborne allergens, making your living space cleaner and easier to breathe in. At the heart of this unit is a true HEPA filtration system. It works in multiple stages, starting with a pre-filter that captures larger particles, followed by a high-efficiency HEPA filter that traps microscopic pollutants. Some models also include an activated carbon layer to help reduce odors from cooking, pets, or smoke. Pros include its. The Levoit air purifier is quiet, energy efficient, and easy to use. It offers multiple fan speeds, a sleep mode for nighttime use, and simple touch controls. It's also known for consistent performance and low maintenance. A small inconvenience is it doesn't produce instant results in very large spaces, and it focuses on air purification only, without extra features like humidification. Levoit strikes a great balance between performance, simplicity, and reliability. It does exactly what an air purifier should do: clean the air without unnecessary complications. Just place it in an open area, plug it in, select your fan speed, and let it run continuously for best results. This purifier is ideal for families, pet owners, allergy sufferers, and anyone who wants cleaner indoor air with minimal effort. If clean air matters to you, the Levoit HEPA air purifier is absolutely worth considering. See the description for more details. Number 2. Coway HEPA Air Purifier. The Coway HEPA Air Purifier, a well-known option designed to help keep indoor air cleaner and more comfortable. This purifier uses a true HEPA filtration system that captures fine dust, pollen, smoke particles, and common airborne pollutants. Many Coway models also include a pre-filter for larger particles and an activated carbon filter to help reduce everyday odors. The design is clean, modern, and compact, making it easy to place in bedrooms, living rooms, or home offices without taking up much space. Pros include strong filtration performance, quiet operation on lower settings, and smart features like air quality indicators and automatic fan adjustment. It's also energy efficient, so it can run throughout the day without constant attention. On the downside, filters need regular replacement, and higher fan speeds can be noticeable in very quiet rooms. Using it is simple: plug it in, choose auto mode, and let the purifier adjust based on your room's air quality. Personally, I think the Coway HEPA air purifier is a solid choice for people who want cleaner indoor air with minimal effort. It's especially suitable for families, pet owners, and anyone spending long hours indoors. See the description for more details. Number 3. BLUEAIR HEPA Air Purifier. The BLUEAIR HEPA air purifier, a popular choice for keeping indoor air cleaner and fresher in everyday homes. BLUEAIR uses advanced HEPA silent technology, which combines mechanical filtration and electrostatic charging. In simple terms, it captures fine dust, pollen, pet dander, and everyday airborne particles efficiently while staying energy smart. The design is clean, modern, and compact, so it fits easily into bedrooms, living rooms, or home offices without standing out. Pros include it runs quietly, especially on lower settings, and the airflow is strong without feeling overwhelming. The controls are straightforward, and filter replacement is simple and tool-free. A small inconvenience is, like most air purifiers, it needs regular filter changes to perform at its best, and higher fan speeds can produce noticeable noise. Using it is easy: place it in an open area, plug it in, choose your preferred fan speed, and let it run consistently for best results. Overall, BLUEAIR is a solid option for people who want reliable air filtration with minimal effort. It's especially suitable for apartments, families with pets, and anyone focused on improving everyday indoor air quality. See the description for more details. Number 4. Winix HEPA Air Purifier. The Winix HEPA air purifier is designed to deliver clean, breathable air for everyday living. It uses a true HEPA filter combined with advanced carbon filtration to capture dust, pollen, pet dander, smoke, and other airborne particles that commonly affect indoor air quality. One standout feature is its smart sensor technology, which automatically adjusts fan speed based on real-time air conditions, helping maintain a consistently fresh environment. In terms of pros, Winix performs quietly, even during long hours of use, making it ideal for bedrooms, offices, and living spaces. It's energy efficient, easy to maintain, and built with durable materials. On the downside, replacement filters are necessary over time, and the design is more practical than stylish, but performance clearly comes first here. Using it is simple: plug it in, choose auto mode, and let the purifier do the work. It's good because it improves air quality without constant adjustment. It may not be for users who want a compact travel unit, but it's excellent for everyday home use. Personally, I think the Winix HEPA air purifier is best suited for families, pet owners, and anyone sensitive to indoor air pollutants. See the description for more details. Number 5. Colorfullife HEPA Air Purifier. The Colorfullife HEPA Air Purifier, a compact air cleaning solution designed for everyday indoor use. This purifier uses a true HEPA filtration system that helps capture dust, smoke particles, pet dander, and other common airborne pollutants. It's built for small to medium rooms and focuses on steady, consistent air circulation rather than flashy extras. The design is simple, modern, and easy to fit into bedrooms, offices, or apartments. Pros include its lightweight, easy to operate, and runs quietly, making it ideal for sleep or work environments. The controls are straightforward, so there's no learning curve. A small inconvenience is it's not meant for very large rooms, and advanced smart features are limited. In my analysis, the Colorfullife HEPA air purifier does exactly what it promises: clean air, no complications. To use it, just place it in an open area, plug it in, select your preferred mode, and let it run consistently for best results. This purifier is a good choice if you want cleaner indoor air with minimal effort. It may not suit users looking for smart app controls or whole house coverage. Overall, it's best for students, small families, pet owners, or anyone wanting a reliable everyday air purifier. See the description for more details. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.